4 days till spring and we got potatoes up. If you remember, this bucket is a potato tower. We planted these potatoes into the soil and put a little bit of mulch on them. This tub has a bunch of mulch in here, but they're just about ready to hit the surface also. Well, thinking about it, I don't trust the forecast, and we still might get a frost come this weekend. But it is Friday at my house, and you know what happens on Friday? We plant. Well, what do you do when you got a couple containers that are sitting out here? The only thing that's growing is a sunflower that the birds dropped in. And we got some containers that need some attention. So come on, let's plant. See if we can't get a little herb garden started up here by the house. Got the one basil that made it through the winter. And I'm just gonna dig down in here. These have pretty good roots. Just down in there. And your basil, you can go ahead and plant as deep as you want. The entire stem does root, remember. We'll put a little basil in here. Then from the lettuce that we planted, I'm just going to transplant all of these into these cells. Make that soil good and loose. Just pop that out of there. And look at those beautiful little roots. And lettuce doesn't mind being pretty close to each other, so we're going to be able to plant a couple in here. And we'll keep it thinned out as we prune this up and eat it. We're going to plant quite a bit more herbs in the garden, but we like to have some up by the house when we're cooking so you can just run out and grab some. There's nothing like this parsley. It's doing pretty well. You got to watch out that you don't get them too root bound, and you can break that up a little bit if you want. I'm only going to put one in here. You'll be surprised. Your parsley will get much bigger than you think. Now I'm going to put some parsley and lettuce in this bigger one. I don't mind having this sunflower here. It's going to grow tall and it won't be in the way. Go ahead and backfill right up to the crown. And I'm going to go ahead and put a celery right in the center of this one. We've got a nice little dill plant right here. And there we go. Give just a little attention to a couple containers, and we got our garden going. And then with everything, just give them a nice little drink of water. Make sure they're good and set in there. You'll be surprised at how fast this bush is out. And then we'll be able to run out here from the kitchen, get some parsley, get some basil, some lettuce, a little celery, a little dill. This is just part of our herb garden, but we're starting. You can do this too. Our red buds are just now opening up. We're going to make jelly this year. I hope you join me for that. Oh yeah, they're just about ready to harvest. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.